Not functioning. Using a voltmeter, looks like the battery's only got 9, so we're gonna hook up the jump box to it and see what happens. All right, this is a Harbor Freight jump box. They're simple. Good guy, break in. Okay. Battery. Alternator is doing good. 13.87, that's acceptable. I'd like to see over 14, but